Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Willie Obiano withdraw 42 billion naira in cash. Economic and Financial Crime Commission (EFCC) said former Governor Willie Obiano of Anambra was being quizzed over the misappropriation of 42 billion naira belonging to the state. An authoritative source in the EFCC disclosed this to the news agency of Nigeria NAN on Saturday in Abuja. The source said former governor was being interrogated over the alleged misapplication for 5 billion naira sure P and 37 billion security vote withdrawal in cash. According to the source, part of the fund was also allegedly diverted to finance political activities in the state. The commission on Friday told NAN that the former governor was in custody undergoing interrogation after his arrest on March 17. Obiano was arrested on Thursday at Murtala Mohammed International Airport, Lagos, and brought to Abuja on Friday morning. The commission said the former governor had not been released. Mr. Wilson Owujare, the head of media and publicity of the EFCC, on Friday told NAN that the former governor is currently in our custody undergoing interrogation and cannot say exactly when he will be released. I don't know how long the exercise will take. All I can tell you now is that he is still in EFCC custody in Abuja, he said. Obiano was arrested by EFCC on Thursday night, hours after handing over to the new Anambra governor, Professor Chukwuma Soludo.